Yes.
I beg, turn your back first. Make we see what happen. Turn your back. Guys, look at what a man did to a fellow man. Look at the mark. Look at the lines. Look at the lines here. Squat a little bit. Look at the lines. What a man did to a fellow man. See the lines. Sit down. These lines correlate with the former lines where I show now. These lines, now yesterday video I post that Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, a native doctor in Anambra State, order in boys to flog person. When I begin say waiting the person do, waiting the person do, waiting the person do, the person there to tell us what to do. Bros, tell us how it happened.
This is started, let me just say, last year. Akwa did Igbo work.
Igbo.
Yes.
Igbo in Igbo language. What do you mean for English?
It's like
good luck charm.
Good luck charm.
Good luck charm. So now good luck charm in go do with Akwa.
So he did good luck charm, that which is Igbo, and the protection.
Protection.
Yes. For any something like attack or attack, something the protection is for attack. So I paid him 1.8 million
for the
Igbo.
For the Igbo.
Yes. Then I paid 700,000
for the
protection.
Protection from waiting, from enemies.
Yeah, from enemies, anything attack or anything, or if you're planning evil for me, back to sender, just protection back to sender. Then everything completed 2.5 million.
2.5 million. 1.8 and 700 is 2.5.
So after some months, I didn't see, there's no luck at all.
No results.
No results for the work. So I have to find a way and come back to Akwa. Then when I get to Akwa, I told him how.
So you know Akwa face to face?
I know, Akwa knows me very well. Then when I got back to him, I said, this is what happened. I'm not seeing any reflection on this work. It's okay. I should bring 500,000 that I will renew it. That I would have stayed 21 days without a woman. But while me, I spent 28 days, which is 4 weeks. Because we're always telling people after work, we'll tell you.
Okay. After the good luck charm,
yes.
Ingo tell you, maybe you not stay without two man for 21 days.
Yes.
You do.
I did 28 days.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. So I said I spent 28 days, and I don't want to argue with him. Then I paid him 500,000 for the renewal.
Making 3 million.
Making 3 million. Then this was towards ending of last year. Then towards that time, till last month, I was finding a way to come and see, but nothing is working out.
Last month, October.
Yes, October. Nothing is working out. Then I found a way to come. I borrowed money from Lagos. I came to Akwa's place last month. Then when I get to Akwa's place, their boss couldn't allow me to see him. They said I will pay 50,000 before going inside. Then I called one of them. I said, this is the reason why I come. It's what I did, with the work I did here didn't work. So I want to meet Akwa so that we will negotiate to give me my money back to me. They couldn't allow me to go inside. Then I go back. Then after I think it was earlier this month, on 16th of this month.
We're in November now.
Yeah, August, yeah.
Of October.
Of 16th of October. Then I went back to his place. So the boys they couldn't allow me to go in again. They persist that I will pay 50,000 for Akwa. Then I hung on the gate. I said, I must definitely see him. You see? So after like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I saw 2 guys. They came in there. One of them dragged me out. Said, what is my problem? I said, nothing. This is, I want to see Akwa. They stripped me off neck. I was wearing only neck, not even these boxers. This black one is what I'm wearing inside. They stripped me off naked. They put me on the bike, take me away from that place. Very far away from Akwa's place. Then when we get to the junction there, they started flogging me.
Who ordered them to flog you?
It's Akwa called them.
Akwa called, are you sure?
Yes. They told me, say Akwa asked them to come and take me off. So after beating me,
Akwa is a house, come tell them to come.
Yes, Akwa is inside shrine there. Inside shrine. So when they are busy flogging me, so one of the boys that work with Akwa, he knows me well. He was one who asked them to stop. Said he knows this guy. So they now stop and ask me what happened. I said, okay, now after beating me, now you're asking me what happened. So you have to ask this question before flogging me. Then when I analyze everything to them, they say, this is money issue. Okay, that they will help me to collect that money from Akwa, but I will give them 1 million.
Okay, now the summary will say the assault, because what I'm interested in is an issue of assault. You did a job for somebody, the job didn't work out well. Because social media people, some people are hypocrites for social media. If na pastor order people to flog person, the whole world go they scream by now. But as it be native doctor, so some people are not playing sentiment about it. If na pastor tell person flog this kind of wound, if na your brother be this, is if you cannot pay somebody back, tell the person to go. Why will you start doing this kind of thing to the person? That is my concern. So what do you want? You don't treat yourself, because the saw, the way the saw is and the way it is now, the saw don't really go, but the mark still there well, the mark. So what do you want?
What I want is I want to write petition against him.
The petition don't already fly.
So I want to write petition against him, so me and him will face the government.
Yes. The petition matter well on it. No be everything with the talk. Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki yesterday, I talked in 2 days. You don't see the video. Now another 1 day remain. If not, one, you go explain to Nigerian police and human rights why you ordered your boys to flog a client that is not satisfied with your services. That's number one. Number two, why you never pay me money back for work we not do. But the most important case first, now the case of the assault. I'm taking this guy as my brother right now. Why did you flog him like this? It is wrong, it's not accepted, and it will not be because no operation with this. Also, they go to work, they spray money, they throw money up and down for club, they do big things, whereas now 419 what they do, people, 9 people, 9 they enjoy themselves. So that is the issue on ground. I say make una see, I make una hear from him. No be jazz for buying people in go do. No be yahoo in go do. Now normal businessman where they find good luck. And the people still go to pastors for this kind of thing. And if pastor give you waiting no work, you can come and say no work for me. Maybe because as a native doctor, people they pay. Somebody was telling me, that juju hand the company, no be juju matter, nothing there. Abracadabra they do. So we are going to take up this case, and you are going to get results. The money you take treat this your wound, you'll get them back. The 2.5 million will remain. All evidence is there, because some people go on tell them to go legal. I even want me the team go legal. Let the team bring himself come out because saying work, not they work. And if a case comes up, don't use force. This is abuse. This is called assault, and assault is a criminal offense and also a civil offense at the same time. So brother, well done.